What's up guys, my name's Ezra Gentle and today I'm going to talk about how to make a really great short film for under 500 bucks. Step number one, save money. If you care about your art and you care about making films, you can pinch a few pennies every month to save up a little nest egg of 500 bucks. Eat out less, drink less booze, maybe don't go play Topgolf. I don't know. We can all find a way to cut back and save up for the things we really care about. Once you have that $500, we're gonna make it look like $5,000. Step number two, what to pay for and what not to. Don't pay for a camera, don't pay for lenses, don't pay for a crew, don't pay for actors, don't pay for wardrobe, don't pay for makeup, don't pay for a location, don't pay for a Lamborghini. Only pay for sound, food, and gas for your crew. It's extremely difficult to find a good sound person to do it for an affordable rate. Most sound people charge over $1,000 a day. You're probably looking at getting your friend who might be interested in recording music and they'll just do it for you if they have equipment. If not, maybe you can rent equipment and teach them, look it up on YouTube, see how to hold a boom mic, see how to set some levels, how to wire a lav, and you're off to the races for 100 bucks. Step number three, your cast. Cast friends. Don't hire actors, don't go looking for actors. If you don't have friends that are actors, make them. Go to plays, go to short film screenings, go to film festivals. Backstage.com is a good place to get started. You could even go to your local university, set up auditions in the drama school. Actors love to act. They just want a cool project to be a part of. Why couldn't that be your project? Step number four, crew. Don't bring someone on just because they have a red camera. I've done it. It doesn't work out. You want people that can trust your vision and you know that they are going to have your back no matter what. You want people to see your passion and then take that and elevate what you had thought of and bring it to the next level. You need people that get your vision and want to help make the same movie, not get shots for their reel or tell some different story. Tip number five, play to your strengths and eliminate weaknesses. Write stories around what you have. Do you have access to a baby, a great location like a hospital or a really cool car? Write something around that. It's gonna have a unique spin on it. It's gonna be part of your voice and it's gonna add insane production value that you didn't have to pay for. The flip side of that coin, eliminating weaknesses, find out what you're worst at and just don't do that. If you're really bad at lighting, bring someone on to DP. Are you bad at writing dialogue? I was bad at writing dialogue, so I just had some actors improv the entire movie. I found these two guys. They had just amazing interaction and chemistry, and I loved the way they talked, and I knew I could never write how they talk. And so we did some outlines, and I'd say, okay, this is where the emotion in the scene starts, and this is where it ends. Maybe hit these sort of points along the way. On the first take, that would kind of be our first draft of the script. I'd say, hey, I really liked what you said here. Don't say that again, and let's just go again. And through that process, we wrote the script. It was extremely rewarding and really tough to edit. My last one, tip number six, the most important. Concept is king. Without a good idea, it doesn't matter. If you're telling some old, washed up, boring, been done before story, no one's gonna care. We don't need another heist movie. We don't need another Taken or Reservoir Dogs or Sicario. Those movies have been made. Go make your own movie. A great concept, decently executed, is way better than a bad idea, perfectly made. Make something new and original with the baby in the hospital and your bad lighting and your improv dialogue. I mean, throw everything together and create something that hasn't been seen before. So go, be original, have that great idea, find your unique voice, do it all for less than $500, and then do it all over again. I hope you guys take something away from this, hope you can learn and get excited about filmmaking, maybe save some money and run out with your friends and make something awesome. If you do, shoot me a link to it. I'd love to check it out. Thanks.